Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have reveal number 4 to my second annual Baking Spirits Bright group swap. And this entry is from Laura. Thank you so much, Laura, for participating. I'm so excited to see what you created. So let's get started. I have here a package and it has my name. There's an identical package in the box. That's for her swap partner. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one. Look at how cute all the stickers. And it says these bags are the same. Just need to open yours. Awesome. Thank you so much, Laura. So here's the card. Look at how cute. I love the colors. And here's a gingerbread with gingerbread cookies. These stickers, and it says Merry and Bright. It says, Tiffany, Merry Christmas. Hopefully this little swap will brighten your holidays. Thank you for hosting this swap. Kindly, Vintology by Lola. So I will link her down below. Again, thank you so much, Laura, for participating. Super excited. So I love this reusable bag. I love the colors because I love pink Christmas. It's just so cute. I'm going to go ahead and open the top. She has this pretty ribbon. Pink ribbon with hot cocoa cups and candy canes and Christmas trees. That was a big reusable tote bag. Look at that. I love that. This is the first item. And this is a cute polka dot bag, pink and white. And it says cookies for Santa. And look at this really cute acrylic bowl. That is so cute. And this is a tinsel bowl too. How cute. I love that. This is the first item. Oh, look at that. She crocheted a snowflake. I love how she used the doily for the bag topper. And here she used a sticker and a sentiment here, fa la la. And she has snowflake stickers on the back. So pretty. Let me open this. Look at that. I wish I knew how to crochet. That is pretty. Thank you so much. I know that took a lot of work. It's crocheting, right? Or is it knitting? I think it's crocheting. That's so pretty. Thank you. And look at that, a shaker mix. I love this tool. It's an ombre tool. Pretty bow. Oh, and look at that. She put a snowflake on the top of the vial. Look at this trim that she put on top of the rim of the vial there. And look at that pretty sequins mix. That's so pretty. I love when I receive sequins mix because I don't think I'm a good sequence maker. So I'm definitely gonna use that. Oh, and look at this pokey tool. How cute. Look at the little stickers there, the little cluster of stickers. Look at this velvet ribbon she used. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. She has polymer clay sprinkles in the inside. You see that? This is pretty. I love this. So it has a stopper here so you don't hurt yourself or poke yourself. Oh, that fell. Look at how pretty. I love the colors. I love pink. This is so pretty. Look at all the charms. That is so cute. I collect poke tools, so this is awesome. What happened to the stopper? Here it is. I'll put that in there. Thank you so much. This is so cute. Wow, look at this. She has this boa, this 12 boa. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, look at this cute pen. And it has the garland at the top. That's so sparkly. And it's a pen. That's so cute. I'm going to put that here. Super cute. Here's a sweet treat. This is Sweet Chaos drizzled popcorn, hot cocoa, naturally flavored. Drizzled with sweet white frosting. Look at that. That looks yummy. That might be my afternoon snack today. Okay, guys, this is her swap. Look at that. What a cute tote. I like how she turned the gingerbread tote into a pink theme. Look at the eyes and look at all the gems. That's so pretty. Very creative. I love it. So we have some peppermints in here, and they fell. So she added some peppermints. So let me put that back in here. Look at how cute that is. Adorable. All right, let's dig in and see all her creations. Oh, here, this on the side, she created a tassel. Look at this tassel. Look at all the pretty trim. And look at that bow bead. That looks familiar. So pretty. I love that. Okay. So I'm gonna start, let's start with this here. It says for you, and she wrapped it in some tissue paper. And look at that, she used her scissors along the edge to make it like a scalloped edge, like candy. That's so cute. And I love this trim that she used to tie off the ends. Oh, look at this. This is a tin, and I love how she made it into a shaker. It says Candy Cane Kisses. See the shaker bits in there? She has trim around the edge. Here it says Love and Sweet Delight. So I'm pretty sure this is her trinket box, and it is. Look at that. All her pretty trinkets. Put it in here. And look at how she lined the inside. That is so cute. I love that. So here, I'll put this on. Look at that. This is a 20 millimeter bead. Peppermint. Another peppermint. Here's a stocking. There's a heart. A candy bead. A cookie bead. There's a rhinestone bead. That's a 20 millimeter bead. Here's a tassel. A croissant. M&Ms. Some polka dot beads. I love polka dots. Polka dot beads there. Just a bunch of different trinkets in here. Buttons. Whoa. This says ho ho ho. Look at all that. So cute. Thank you so much. You did not have to make me a swap, but I really appreciate it. Oh, look at this. This is a vanilla and cranberry hand cream. And she poked a hole and she did a charm on the edge here. Look at the pretty charms. That is so cute. Yes, I always need hand lotion. I'm going to leave that right there. My hands are always dry. I wash my hands and I sanitize my hands all the time. My hands are just always dry. Okay, let's look at this. And this is her memory decks. Let me see. Okay. So it says here, Baking Spirits Bright Group Swap 2025, created by Laura Brightowski. YouTube and IG is Vintology by Lola. So you can find her there. But again, I will link her down below. Very talented, really sweet lady. This is so cute. And it says Cookie Tester. I love this. And it's felt. She put felt in the back. Very sturdy. This is cute. I love it. Thank you. And this looks like this could be her store-bought gift. So let's look in here. This pretty organza bag. And these are trim samples. Look at that. Gingerbread. She has a gingerbread ribbon with some light pink eyelash trim. Here's some pink Merry Christmas ribbon with a darker pink eyelash trim. And this here is some grosgrain ribbon with candy canes and candy and cupcakes with this pretty multicolored eyelash trim. And then this here is a satin ribbon. This is the one she used to package her swap. So it has these designs on them with the hot cocoa, candy canes, and Christmas trees. With the hot pink eyelash trim in here. She put sweets and yummy. That's so cute. And on this one, in the back, there's bells. Oh, there's bells on the back of each one. That's how she pinned the ribbon together so it would stay. So cute. Thank you. We can always use trim. And this one here, it says Candy Cane Wishes. I'm not sure where this came from, but I'm going to put it in here. So this must be her store-bought gift here. Look at this pretty pom-pom. I love that. And look at this gorgeous beaded dangle. I love that pink gingerbread house. Look at all the beads. That looks familiar. Look at the snowflake. This rose. This is so pretty. I love these. Look at all that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the candy. So cute. Okay, so here, let's start. Here's a Paper Studio cupcake. This is adhesive gems. Oh, these are cute. Look at these Christmas bows. I love those. I love the colors. Yes, this is so cute. I love these gingerbreads. These are cute. They come in handy and they're dimensional, so they're really good to have. This one here, these are some Christmas stickers. Oh, and look at these pretty gems. Silver gems. I love that. Oh, and look at this. I have not seen these before. Christmas, like a station wagon, a camper, hauling the Christmas tree. So cute. Oh, and look at this. These pretty snowflakes. They're glittery and they're see-through. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. That was so thoughtful. It's a really nice gift. Okay, let's see here. Sorry, this one came off, but we can fix it. There we go. This is a mini clothespin. She has a cute candy cane on it. I love that. I'm just going to stick it on here. There we go. Look at this. Let's open it. This one says a taste of holiday cheer. Look at the utensils. That's so cute. I haven't seen these. You know, I haven't bought dies in a while. I used to buy KS Craft and Scrap Diva on a monthly basis, but since I started destashing and trying to reorganize, I haven't bought anything since I think June or July. So I'm behind. I don't know what's new anymore. Look at these. These are cute. So look at that. She made bag toppers. 3 bag toppers. And it says sweet. And she cut it out of foam. Look at that. That's a cool idea. I never thought about that. The first one is foam. The second one, she made a shadow. She cut the word out twice. Look at all the polymer clay sprinkles on there. That's so cute. The third one is pink with white glitter. Again, you should put the sprinkles, the polymer clay sprinkles. And here's a white glitter with pink sweet. Those are really cute. Back toppers always come in handy. Okay. And then we have this one here, Ho Ho Ho. Very dimensional. That's really cute. She has 2 of these. That's really fun. I love the metallic paper. So that's on one side, and then the other side, she has some poinsettias. And she has this word, merry and bright, and these here. Aren't they pretty? And this mirrored paper, she has it on this mirrored paper here. So pretty. Thank you so much. And I believe I shared everything. I did. This is a beautiful swap. Amazing. I love this pink Christmas theme. This Christmas baking theme. It's so cute. Thank you again, Laura, for participating. Thank you all for watching. Please check her out down below. And I will be back with another review. Bye.